Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Vonda Sharon. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. Okay, she feeling real sassy. How you feeling today? Well, we're gonna hop right into this review, but first, hey fellas, because my analytics tell me I got only males that watch me, so hey, I appreciate the love. Make sure y'all subscribe though, because ain't none of y'all subscribe. Like, what's up? Show your girl some love. So I did receive this box in the mail, the shiny smile, and I'm going to be giving you guys my first impression. So once you do what you're supposed to do, it does come with these little goodies. It comes with a little case that goes in this little empty box. And the case is very doable so that you don't tear these things up. I'm gonna keep it all the way 100 with you guys, because guess what? They ain't sponsoring me, so I tell you what I think, because I had another snap-on smile for 11 years. So I think I've been doing this well enough and long enough to be able to tell you the tea, because that's what you're here for. I don't want you to make no mistake that I made, okay? So stay tuned. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because once you do, then it's going to be a special word at the end, and then those that stay to the end are going to be entered into for a giveaway that's coming up. So now let's start here. Had I not had the snap-on smile before, snap-on smile before, not this one because this is shiny, then this one right here would be lovely, okay? It's nice to take pictures. What is it on my lip? To take pictures. I get lots of compliments on my smile. Yes, I'm in love, okay? Don't pay out no mind. So yes, it's nice, okay? But why she have to do that like she ghetto? But if you have something else to compare it to, in which you probably don't, because that's why you clicked on this video, just know that this one is really good for like pictures taking. Don't you dare go trying to eat anything hard like some chips or nothing like that in this thing, because let me see if I can take it out. You don't want to see no slobber. It is very soft. You see I got a hole in it already. Like, and I'm very delicate with it. It's soft. Now the other one, voila. The other one I had was very solid. You couldn't move it like that. So I just want you to know, before you go spend your money, you're going to have to be very cautious. Like, if you know you going on a date with your boo that you done, been stalking her on Instagram and liking all her pictures, or you slid her DM and you trying to impress her, and no, you can't finesse her. Don't finesse her. Don't do that. You don't need to wear this on your first date. I mean, unless you ain't eating. Okay? This is good for like taking pictures on Instagram. Now, don't get me wrong. You can eat like a tortilla or some enchiladas. What else is soft? Hamburger, French fries. You probably could bite into some fried chicken. But don't bite your man or nothing like that, or, playing around or nothing like that. It's just for pretty. I mean, I'm really saddened because I really thought this one was going to last me at least 5 years. But as you can see, I got a hole in this one already, and I ain't had it long. So I'm kind of disappointed, because I think I paid around $500 for it, and I did do the monthly payment plan, because your girl ain't got it like that, okay? Once we start getting this, what is this? Who is this? Once we start getting this YouTube money, then maybe, this won't damage or hurt my pockets. But right now, she ain't got it, okay? So I'm really kind of disappointed that the material is soft. Okay, so just be mindful of that. Like if you are really insecure about your teeth and this, you know, you thinking that this will help you because of your smile, or maybe you missing some teeth or something like that, then definitely this is gonna give you a confidence and ego boost, 100%. But just know, it's hot as hell in here. Stay focused. But just know that, like, when you get ready to go out to eat with family and friends and stuff like that, and if you ain't announced to them that you got this, then you may want to let them know before you go out or something like that. I just want you to know that it's not as durable as other companies, such as my Snap-on Smile. You're welcome to look at that video as well. I'll leave that down in the description so you can take a look at that one. But yeah, guys, this is my first impression. I love it. Okay, can't tell me nothing, but that's just my honest opinion about this. Okay, so I'll see you down in the comments. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. The secret word is blue. Okay, so put blue down in the comments because your name will be entered into the drawing for the giveaway. Okay, so don't say I didn't try to warn you or why I ain't pick you. Thank you so much to all my guys that watch me. Hey, I appreciate it. So again, you have a fantastic weekend. Keep watching all my videos because we dropping them. Okay, we dropping that heat. Have a good day. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Bye.